When attendees purchase different ticket tiers and registration add-ons with different perks, like special workshops, dinners, or galas, it's up to you to make sure everyone gets exactly what they paid for. Your VIP guests, for example, pay extra because they know their ticket includes perks like a VIP dinner one of the nights of your conference. But here's the problem. To make sure your attendees get exactly what they signed up for, you need to have full control over who has access at the door. Otherwise, your exclusive experiences no longer feel truly exclusive. And if attendees were to slip through the cracks, there won't be enough seats or food for those who paid for those extra perks. Keeping track can feel like a juggling act, with too many balls in the air. How do you ensure everyone gets exactly what they paid for, without the headache? That's why so many organizers rely on Whova's ticket session mapping. Whova's ticket session mapping ends the manual tracking, allowing you to link specific tickets and add-ons directly to your agenda sessions and ensure that the right people get into the right rooms automatically. And setting it up is simple. Once you create your ticket types, you can choose to give access to all sessions or only specific ones, with the added option to restrict your sessions by track or even day, making it easy to manage everything from member-only experiences to workshop-only access. And if you're using Whova's registration to offer ticket add-ons like special workshops or excursions, you can also map those add-ons to their respective sessions. You're able to adjust your attendees' agendas so that they see only the sessions and event activities that they're eligible for, while your staff can quickly verify if an attendee has access at the door. Then, before your event even begins, preview the exact experience each attendee will see based on their ticket purchase, so you can catch issues early and ensure every access level works exactly as intended. The result? Fewer manual checks, less confusion at the door, and greater peace of mind, all while delivering a more polished, professional event experience. Want to explore advanced session access control for your next event? Discover why Whova is the top-rated all-in-one platform for organizers across the globe. Visit our website to request a free demo today.